Yesterday, after me, Mom, and Dad finished our picnic in Franklin Sunflower Farm, we went to Muriwai Beach, located at Muriwai, West Auckland, New Zealand, where there is a nice black sand beach and home to some gannet birds. This video shows the Muriwai Gannet colony. The gannet birds are present to Muriwai from August to March each year. They migrate to Australia for the winter, returning to Muriwai colony to breed during the New Zealand spring and summer. I hope you like my video. Please like and subscribe. Thank you.